Hey there, today we're making my new favourite recipe, a chestnut sausage and leek pie. I'm using the tortilla as a casing, using a dumpling crimper. Oh, I should have got it out. Hey there, today I'm making a new favourite recipe of mine, sausage, chestnut and leek pie. I use a tortilla as a casing in a dumpling maker. It's GERD-friendly, gluten-free and it's really easy to make. First off, let's do some potatoes. I've put the potatoes in the Instant Pot, but you can boil them, mash them, stick them in a stew. Potatoes! Okay, potatoes, they're quite cool now, so put them in the bowl. The potato is a great carrier of flavour. It gives a creamy edge and holds it all together. Pick the skins off the potatoes. It doesn't have to be perfect. Bit of skin's great, it adds extra nuttiness to it. You want to lightly crush these with a fork. I'm going to hunk some sausages up into tiny little bite-sized pieces. Okay, let's put the sausages into the air fryer. While they're cooking, take a leek and slice it down like I'm doing. Give it a good rinse. Give it a chop. Next I want to fry these seeds off in a little oil. It really helps release the flavour. Cumin, caraway. Put the leeks into the pan, cook them down until they soften. While the leeks are cooking, chop up a little parsley, and if you want to show off at the end, save a bit. Roughly chop up some chestnuts. They're high in vitamin C and very low fat. They're great for you. Sausages look done, let's put them in the bowl. Add the cooked chestnuts and leeks into the sausage and potatoes. Mix everything together, crushing any big bits of potato.
Cheese. Some epic mature cheese.
Dice the cheese up into small cubes. I'm using vegan cheese and parmesan, but you can use any cheese. Any cheese will work. Some Parmigiano Reggiano. Okay, some parmesan. I'm using parmesan though because it's low in lactose. Caramelised onion chutney. The chutney gives it a really nice tang. Give it a quick taste, and if you feel it needs it, adjust the seasoning. Maybe put some more salt in. Okay, let's make them. I'm going to use one of these. Look at that. It's a gadget. What's it called? Using a dumpling crimper. Using a dumpling crimper. Using a dumpling crimper. Beat an egg up. Take your tortilla, lay it flat in the crimper. These tortillas stick together better than the corn ones. Ooh, ah.
put some wash around the edge. Wash around the rim.
Don't want to overfill these. Gently close it and really give it a good squeeze. You want to seal the edges.
Let's have a look. Look at that.
Add a scoop of the filling, but don't overfill it, otherwise you'll... Get a bit of eggy wash on them to help them go brown. Sprinkle some more cumin and caraway. Put it in the air fryer for 180 for 15 minutes. Halfway through, we're going to turn it over. I put too many in. I've taken 2 out and then I'll put those in later. Look at that. Turn them over, back in. Put them in for another 8 minutes. Let's have a look. Look at these. Best bit. Here we go. Lovely. Look at this. Look at it. Whoa. Lots of these. Sausagey, cheesy, tangy. Lovely. Give these a go, they're so easy to make. Try different fillings, tell me what you do below in the comments. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out other recipes and my website, iphceliac.com. I better have a rest.